accelerator pedal position, throttle opening, no response. Now when you go back on the error code, it will tell you that the throttle pedal is bad. I've replaced it with another one. Maybe this one is bad too. I have one more extra, so I have resetted it. But ideally, I've seen this kind of problem before. Somebody possibly made a mess. Somebody made a mess. So it's actually possible two problem at the same time. Now what I've been trying to find here, because it's complaining of fuel pump A open circuit. So this is a sign of a bad ECM. I've seen this kind of problem before on Audi. That reminds me. Okay, that's the throttle position sensor there. Adapt calibrator, okay. Learning count, step count. Okay, that's the throttle sensor there, but it's not responding when I step on it. I want to see the fuel pump because it's saying that the fuel pump is not working. And however, what I've seen so far concerning the error code concerning the fuel pump could be okay. Now this gets interesting. When I step on it, you see the reading go to 78% from 14%. However, the car is not actuating that function. You can see it accelerator, so it's responding. However, it's not manifesting here, so which means this is an ECU problem, not a throttle pedal position sensor problem. You can see it right there. I'm holding it down, that is why the reading is there constant. So the ECU is okay. Kick down worked, tested okay. The throttle push works. You can see it right now. So when I press on the kick down button, you can see it right there, it worked. Kick down, see it? So if I step my leg off, then it goes back. So this throttle pedal is good. However, the ECM is bad. So maybe someone did something, something short-circuited. I'm trying to see the fuel pump. Now let's go back to some error code. There was an error code it actually thrown here, which I ignored, and that actually is what is the concern right now. I've seen it say check the memory, and the ABS is reporting the ECM. A lot of control module, to some point it refused to communicate when I erased the error code. So I couldn't, I'm not seeing the fuel pump here. I couldn't see it, so I can be able to judge. A lot of things are not showing here. If the ECM is good, it shouldn't be not available. Every data should be available here. So that's a confirmed K. The ECM is bad. I want to go back. Okay, I want to go back to read error code. Let's get it here. Now it's reporting that the throttle pedal position sensor is defective. However, look at it. Transmission control, check memories, parodic is not consistent. Now let's go down. It's a fuel pump circuit A open. Now someone has explained this code that when you have the P062700, it means the ECU could be bad, not that the fuel pump, because if the fuel pump is not working, the engine shouldn't start. So the ECM is not reading that very understand. Now let's go back to other modules that's going to tell us what is going on with the Yes, you can see it, ECU control module. Please read. So it's active. That is a sign that the ECM control module, no signal, no communications, parodic. And so instrument cluster control module coded incorrectly. Engine control module stacked. You can see right here. So this is a confirmed information from other control modules that they are not understanding what the ECM of this very car is doing. So at that level, what I'm going to be doing right now is how I'm going to move this car to my garage so I can we can take on it later and troubleshoot why the ECM control module fails. Maybe somebody breached something, or the O2 sensors. I've known the O2 sensors to shut the ECM. Now I'm gonna go back here. Let me clear this error code and see if it's gonna solve any problem. The car just actually responded. Okay, but look at what is active here. Control module incorrectly coded, active and static. Then you have engine control module issue. So that's to tell you that the ECM is bad. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch from this one to the previous one that was here, and it's not gonna make any difference, but I just want to do it anyways. That's it right there. I've removed it. Okay. Yes, sir. Welcome.